You guide Muslim believers and train them in the Islamic faith. You therefore have a great responsibility for the formation of the younger generation. Benedict XVI Catechesis, August 24, 2005, quote, as well as esteem for the other great religious traditions, Islam occupies a special place among them. Its followers worship the same God. Notice that Benedict XVI doesn't merely esteem the members of false religions, but the false religions themselves. This is apostasy. Benedict XVI tells us that pagan and idolatrous religions are high and pure. Benedict XVI, Salt of the Earth, 1996, page 23, quote, in the Indian religious cosmos, Hinduism is a rather misleading designation for a multiplicity of religions. There are very different forms, very high and pure ones. He says that idolatrous religions are high and pure. This is heresy and apostasy. 1 Corinthians 10:20, quote, the things which the heathen sacrifice, they sacrifice to devils and not to God. Benedict XVI denying outside the church there is no salvation. What we have seen thus far proves many times over that Benedict XVI rejects the defined dogma. Outside the Catholic Church there is no salvation. Benedict XVI holds that we shouldn't even convert heretics and schismatics. But here are some more examples of heresy where he is specifically addressing and denying this crucial dogma. Benedict XVI, Salt of the Earth, 1996, page 24, quote, question, but could we not also accept that someone can be saved through a faith other than the Catholic? Answer, this undoubtedly happens on a large scale. The Church teaches that there is no salvation outside the Church. Benedict XVI teaches that there is undoubtedly salvation